To grow a pumpkin, follow these steps. Choose the right seeds. Select healthy pumpkin seeds from a reputable source or save them from a pumpkin you enjoyed. Prepare the soil. Find a sunny spot for your garden. And ensure the soil is fertile, well-drained, and rich in organic matter. Remove any weeds or rocks. Plant the seeds about 1 to 2 inches deep into the soil, either directly in the ground or in pots if you prefer to them indoors first. They are spaced apart to allow room for growth. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to rotting. If growing larger pumpkin varieties, consider using trellises, cages, or stakes to support the fruit as grows. A balanced fertilizer according to the package instructions, usually every few weeks, to provide necessary nutrients for growth. Monitor your plants for signs of pests or diseases, such as aphids or powdery mildew. Appropriate organic pest control methods or seek advice from your local gardening center. Pumpkins are typically ready to harvest and the skin hardens and turns a deep, consistent color. Cut the stem leaving a few inches attached to the fruit and handle them carefully to prevent any damage. Remember to enjoy the process and watch your pumpkin plants grow.